I got this.
Welcome back to day fucking 7. What's another word for that I can throw in there?
Shalom and welcome to day 7, where apparently Jenna has made up a new dreidel game. And I've got a bottle of this. So this is your idea, Jenna.
I know.
Even worse, appropriate shot glasses, skulls.
Did you take this from my house?
No, those are mine. I'm a bartender. So come on, let's do this.
All right.
Well, here, I'll light them while you do that.
Okay.
Spinning's good.
Yeah, spin it.
Okay, well, can someone else spin it? Because this is my bad hand.
Shalom and welcome to day 7 of we're gonna drink through this.
Why do you sound so mad about it? Also, really good spin. Very proud of you. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. Made it out of wood.
I don't want to see what it is.
Oh, it's take half.
Woo!
Not of the bottle, just of a shot.
Oh God, this is gonna be awful. That's a half ounce.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is for you, Chicago.
This is a half ounce. Windy City! Woo! Not a party! This was your idea too.
I'm kind of mad about it, but you know.
Yeah, me
whatever.
too.
Cheers.
I'll smell it first.
Oh, we can do it again.
It tastes way better now that it's not made in Florida, but it still fucking sucks. Oh God. Ugh.
It's all right. Don't let him lie to you.
Today's giveaway brought to you by Odin MFG. Thanks for sponsoring all this and all the fun stuff. They're great dudes. Oh God. I'm giving away this awesome Odin dry bag.
Yeah.
I still don't have one of these, and I'm very jealous of whoever wins this. God, I hope this tastes go away by tomorrow.
Be alright, bud. Be okay.
We can dreidel one more time and see if it makes it better.
Oh, you're so nasty.
Kyle's going for it. Sing it. Sing it.
I hate my life.
Oh.
Do nothing. The gods have
I'll
spoken.
see you tomorrow. Catch you on the flip side.